Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. I had just posted a video with a swipe pour the first time I've done one, and I think I should have left it alone at a certain point, so I'm going to retry to do it the way I want to do it, and well, in my mind I want it to look like. So I'm still using the DecoArt Metallic Pure Gold, the DecoArt Metallics Amethyst, the DecoArt Metallic Sapphire, and the DecoArt Metallic Crystal Green. I'm going to be using the Master's Touch Titanium White for the swipe color. So I'm going to start at the top here. I'm going to go with the gold. Then the purple. And on this one, I'm not having a base paint down. I'm going to do it straight off the canvas. Now some sapphire. And the crystal green. Go back with the gold. So it looks like I'm going to have a couple rows of these exact same colors. I was wanting to go with the metallics today for the bright colors because it's a rainy, dreary Saturday here right now. So I thought I'd liven it up with metallics. Let's see, green. And gold. Yeah, I decided not to add the berry to this one because it just reminded me of a little bit of Christmassy. And that just wasn't what I was feeling today. I'm not ready for the cold weather. And the green, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some white to the bottom because I'm pulling all this paint down. So I'll put what I'm swiping with just down here to get the edge. Okay, let me move these out of the way so I don't knock them over again. Okay, I'm going to tilt it a little so I can get the edges with the color. Get that weight moving the same way. Get a little bit of help here so it will roll over more. Now the only color that has the silicone in this is going to be the white that I'm swiping with. There we go, help it out a little bit. All right. Grab a paper towel real quick. Then I'm going to add a little bit more gold at the top. Well, there we go. Okay, so we're going to take the Master's Touch, which I said has a silicone in it. I'm going to put that at the top here. I have to mix some more up again. Help that to go over the side. All right, now comes the swiping part. I think we're gonna, my gold's getting buried. There we go. Now this plastic here is just from the, like a school document paper cover. Just cut it in half. And I'm gonna use the clean side here. And like I said, I'm just gonna press it right above the gold. I don't want to take as much as I did before. And pull it along. Okay, did not make good contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more white. Let's try that again. All right. This is the clean side. Even white. Don't want to stop because what happens is it'll show the stuttering. I'm going to take the edge here. I'm going to leave that alone. I didn't know when to stop her on the last video, so this time I'm going to make myself stop. Let's give it a torch and see what comes up. I wonder if I can swipe it a little, whoops, a little this way to get some of that gold to come out. Let's see. Grab my other one here. Okay, feeling maybe I should have left it alone, which is an easy fix. Just gonna put some, scrape this off up here. And I'm just gonna put the white here. I really need to make some more. I don't want to put it on too thick. Leaving it alone. Oh, I'm liking that. I am really liking the cells. I am really loving the lacing. It's popping ear bubbles. What I am going to do, I know I said I was going to touch it, I'm just going to tilt it a little so that the white and the gold connect with each other. There we go. Oh, wow. I am loving that lacing. That looks so much better than I thought that my last one. I really should have left it alone. Oh, we're getting cells within cells. Whoops. I am being klutzy today. That is beautiful. I am really loving that. Oh, beautiful lacing. I got purple, gold, and green coming up in that cell. Multiple color cells here. Oh, beautiful. I am not touching this one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up a video. Oh, I just loving that purple and blue. I'm glad I kept them together. Sorry, y'all. I'm just surprised that this turned out so well. I'm really happy about it. Well, I will see y'all next time. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.